Experience ultimate cordless light output in a solution that is built to adapt, perform and survive in the most demanding job site conditions. The Milwaukee M12 LED stand light is designed to be more portable, allowing you to go from job site to job site with ease. The light adapts to your needs. Set it up in only 5 seconds and adjust the light where you need it most. Extend the light to a height of 5 foot 8 inches or 1.72 meters and adjust it to 270 degrees horizontally and 210 degrees vertically. When you are ready to pack up, simply collapse the light down to 79 centimeters and use the convenient carry handles to transport to the next job site. 1400 lumens of TRUEVIEW high-definition light output gives you a natural white light without generating the heat you'd experience from halogen lights. We understand that tools on the job site need to survive. An impact-resistant lens and reinforced nylon legs have been designed to withstand drops and other harsh job site conditions. Milwaukee high-output lighting adapts, performs and survives in the most demanding job site conditions.